The boss is back. Welcome back, family. Thank you so much for stopping by. Welcome to our home. In today's video, I am going to give you a few decorating ideas for fall 2022. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please let me know in the comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get it done like your boss, baby.
See it in your eyes, babe. You need to let your mind off things. No, it hurts. I can't see it in your eyes, babe, but I know you have a lot to give. I know that it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me, yeah. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I know you're strong. Need to get yourself together. Things still get better if you just believe it. Yeah, it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in.
Welcome back, family, to another video. If you are new, welcome. My name is Linda / the boss. In today's video, I am going to give you more decorating ideas for fall 2022. I hope you enjoy this video. By the way, this video is sponsored. A big thank you to this company for sponsoring a portion of this video. Guys, please keep on watching because I am going to give you more details in a minute. In this video, I am going to share with you how I transform our family room with this removable work sent to me by this company. The link will be in my description box down below. I hope you enjoy this video and let's get it done like a boss.
Oh, I'll be your guiding light. Oh, I'll be your guiding light. I know that it's getting cold, the waves are crashing in. When the streams are getting strong, just hold on to me. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be.
My room, my carpet, my rules. Guys, if you're looking to update any room in your house, the link will be in my description box down below. If you are looking for any coziness, check the description box for the link. A big thank you to this company for sponsoring a portion of this video. Let's get it done like a boss, baby. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Okay, family, this is what the company sent to me. As you can see, carpet squares from my. A big thank you to them for the sponsorship. Guys, please keep on watching. Like I said, you will see how I transform our family room with this beautiful removable washable work sent to me by this company. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. The link will be in my description box down below. As you can see, I have two different colors, beige and gray. You can choose from different colors. They have different style and they are very easy to install, very easy to clean. They are washable, removable, and you have 180 days free trial and you have lifetime warranty, free shipping. Guys, you will love this work. My kids love them. And my favorite part is like if one piece is dirty, the only thing I have to do, I can just remove it and then wash it. No glue, no tape, easy install, easy replace, easy clean. Oh my god, guys, you will love them. Like I said, they have different style and colors you can choose from and they are very soft. Your kids will enjoy them, and like I said, perfect for any kids room. And you will see how I am going to install. Instruction was very clear. When you flip the work, there was something in the back and tell you how you're supposed to place the work. Guys, you will love this work. Like I said, the link will be in my description box down below. The holiday is right in the corner. If you want to update any room in your house, the link will be in my description box down below. Your kids room, key room and your family room, living room. Check the description box for the link. Guys, you will love them. Please keep on watching. I am going to give you more details in a minute. Like I said, as you can see, I choose 2 different colors. You can choose 1 color. You can go with like any color you want to. They are very soft and very durable and comfortable. The kids will enjoy every bit of your money. Okay guys, this is the fun part. I am going to remove this rug, vacuum the floor, mop the floor, and start the installation. Like I said, no glue, no tape. Please keep on watching and you are going to see how I transform our family room with these beautiful styles. Removable rug, not expensive at all. The link will be in my description box down below, and keep on watching.
Okay guys, so these are the rugs here. I really love them. They are so beautiful and they're very soft and comfy. They're very easy to install and I really like doing cartwheels and handstands on them. So fun and I really like them. Well, a big thank you to Mateus for making this living room so beautiful and cozy for the holidays.
Someone told me this ain't love. There's no way you get into my heart. Someone told me gotta move on. Keep it together before you fall apart. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love and there's no lust, whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending.
Okay family, less than 5 minutes, everything is complete. As you can see, this is a big transformation. Please check the description box to get yours today. As you can see, I have 2 different colors. Like I said before, you can choose 1 color if you want to, but I love it. A big thank you to this company for sponsoring a portion of this video. Please keep on watching because I have more decorating ideas for you for fall 2022. I hope you enjoy. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Home Decor Trends 2022. Let the design flow, baby. Design by the boss.
Don't you know we're all disposable? It don't matter, break your cups. We go on and we will never stop. And there's no reason to be numb, but I can't even fall asleep until the dawn. If there's no love and there's no lust, whatever you got, I'm about to give it up. I'm not in love, I'm just pretending. I'm not in love, I'm just forgetting him. I'm not in love, I don't feel anything.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, salam alaikum, buenos dias, mabuhay kijanouye, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Hey you guys, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. My name is Inda / the boss. I am so glad to have you here. Please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends and your family. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell icon for every time the boss upload a new video. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a home decor lover, this is the perfect channel for you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for stopping by. Coucou la famille, je me présente, je m'appelle Linda. Si c'est votre première fois ici, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner, liker, partager et d'activer la cloche de notification pour ne pas manquer aucune de mes vidéos et de me laisser un petit commentaire. Merci beaucoup pour votre soutien affectueux. À la prochaine. Bonjour, bonsoir, amis, famille, moi, comment vous allez? Je dis à montrer la caille avec une nouvelle vidéo. Si c'est la première fois tomber sur channel ça, moi, je suis Linda et ma bienvenue. Sur channel ça, je poste un pili de déco. Moi, t'aimerais pour faire partie de la famille là. S'il vous plaît, t'en pouvez pas oublier abonner, partager et puis quitter un petit commentaire pour moi. Merci un pile pour support. N'après ouais dans un prochain épisode encore. C'était amis Linda / The Boss. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier partager avec amis et famille. Merci pour support.
That you're coming by. Let me know when you're here. Meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown. Someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do.
I hope you enjoy and I hope you like it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to let me know in the comment down below what do you think about today's video. Today's video, guys, it's all about fall decorating ideas. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let's get it done like a boss. Your home is your happy place. Design it to your liking. Home decor trends 2022. Let the days flow, baby.
I have to sleep in the bed I made. I don't sleep much at all these days. 'Cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want, to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, I really hope that you're coming by. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want.
Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine. Made, peace out, au revoir, adios. Bye.
Of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and try strong. I know it's good if I'm around. I got it, I gotta go, go, go. Running to better times. Go, go, go. From my emotions, I'll go, go, go. Running to better times. 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 Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night like I